friends, welcome to Madden's Delicacies. This is Lata here. Hope you're fine and safe. Today I'm going to make dal makhani. It's a Punjabi dish. This was introduced to me by my friend and neighbor in Bombay. She used to make authentic dal makhani and we used to just love it. So I have just made a bit of changes to it and let's see my take on it. Let me show you the ingredients about dal makhani. This is around 5 tomatoes. Puree, I have made it. This is chopped coriander. These are 4 chilies, green chilies. You can skip the chilies if you don't want it. This is around 3 tablespoons of oil. This is some kasuri methi, very little. This is butter, 3 tablespoons of butter. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped, and this is fresh cream. So let's start cooking the dal makhani. Now the first step of dal makhani is to soak 1/4 cup of kidney beans, that is rajma, and I've soaked 1 cup of black lentils, that is black urad dal, full urad dal. So let's nicely clean it. This is the way you have to clean it. Nicely mush it so that the muddy water will go. You can see this muddy water, this has to go. You have to clean nice 3-4 times. And then I will put it in the cooker and we will keep it for 5 to 6 whistles. So now I'm going to put this in the cooker and we'll put a lot of water. But this dal makhani is not like other things. This lentils has to be cooked without turmeric and without salt because this takes a long time to cook. So we won't put turmeric and we won't put salt now. Okay, let's put water and cook for 5 whistles. Now as you can see, our black lentils and kidney beans are cooked well. I kept it in the cooker for 5 whistles. Now let us keep it on the gas with little salt and let it boil on one side. In the meantime, I'll be showing you in a pan how to cook the masala. I'm putting a bit of salt. We'll put the salt in the masala also. So now we have kept the cooker on the other gas and I have switched on the gas. I'm keeping this pan. I'm going to add butter, the entire butter, 3 tablespoons of butter. Now dal makhani is a very rich dish, you use butter, cream. That's the speciality of a Punjabi dish. Next goes in our ginger garlic paste. Let us saute this for around 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Now as you can see that the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. See to it that you all use fresh ginger garlic paste, not the store bought, because that won't give that much taste to the curries. So now let's add Kashmiri chili powder, the entire thing. As I said, I've taken 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Let's saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our red chili powder is nicely done. Now let me add the tomato puree. Now I want to tell you all a very important thing. Some people use onions in the dal makhani. I have not used. It depends on recipe to recipe. And some people use only black lentils for the dal makhani. I have used black lentils and kidney beans. So you all can do it as per your preference. You all can use onions or you all can skip onions. You all can use rajma, that is kidney beans, or you all can skip the kidney beans. As you all can see that the tomatoes have been cooked nicely. Now at this point I'll be adding a bit of salt. We've already added a bit of salt in dal makhani when we were, the lentils when we were cooking. So let me add a bit of salt, not much. Stir, give a nice stir. Now let's add the cooked dal makhani with the water. Now there is one very important thing with dal makhani. The more the dal makhani sits, the more it becomes thick. So at this point, we'll keep adding water a bit. And now we'll close the lid and let it boil for nice 15 minutes. Now dal makhani is nicely, boiling. At this point, I'll be adding butter. Now makhani is always butter. So you have to add butter. Now I'm adding kasuri methi, very less. Don't add more, very less, just for the flavor. Now at this stage I'm going to add 2 nice green chilies because As you all know that I've added only Kashmiri chili powder, which is not much spicier. So I've added green chilies. I'm going to remove this and keep it on another gas. And let us give a nice tadka now. I'm going to give a tadka. Now the tadka is in the oil, which I showed you before. Let's add garlic, chopped garlic. And two things which I forgot to show you all is, in the end for the tadka, I am using 2 cloves for the flavor and 1 big cardamom. Now let us saute this for some time. Now our tadka is ready. The garlic has become brown. I am going to add this to the dal makhani. I have switched off the gas and I am going to add the cooking cream to it. And let us garnish it with some coriander leaves, and our dal makhani is ready. So our rich and creamy dal makhani is ready. Enjoy it with lacha parathas, butter naan, rice, rotis, or whatever you all wish to eat this with, because it is such a versatile dish. So if you all have loved the recipe, please like, subscribe and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.